What's up, guild members? Welcome back to Anime Tayo for episode 27 of Weekly Anime News. The final week of April and the first day of May brought us a massive flood of new season visuals, major sequel announcements, and the biggest reveal of the year, the Kagurabachi anime. Let's dive straight into the headlines. Kicking off on April 25th, Skeleton Knight in Another World Season 2 revealed a new visual for its July 2026 premiere from Aura Studio. Arc is coming back. Crunchyroll announced it is streaming two anime specials of the quintessential quintuplets and will debut Chainsaw Man the movie Reese Arc on the 30th of April 2026. Mark your calendars, Denji fans. And My Hero Academia dropped a trailer for its special episode number 170 plus one more set after graduation. It airs the 2nd of May 2026. On April 26th, the Rascal Does Not Dream series released another memorial visual, this time featuring Kaide Azusagawa, for the upcoming movie Rascal Does Not Dream of a Dear Friend, premiering October 16, 2026. Also, World Trigger announced a reboot project teaser for the Black Trigger Capture arc, covering original episodes 7 through 16. Exciting news for World Trigger fans. April 27th was absolutely massive, with a ton of July premiere visuals and the biggest announcement of the year. Chikawa the movie, The Secret of the Mermaid Island, revealed a new main visual for its the 24th of July 2026 release from Studio Sypic. Smoking Behind the Supermarket with You dropped a new visual. It premieres June 3rd on Abema with all 12 episodes for premium members, followed by a regular broadcast in July 2026. Bungo Stray Dogs 1 2 revealed a new main visual for July 2026 from Studios Bones and Nomad. More chibi chaos. My Stepmother and Stepsisters Aren't Wicked revealed a new main visual for July 2026 from Studio Neon. Rich Girl Caretaker dropped a new main visual for its July 2026 premiere from Brainsbase. Berserk of Gluttony Season 2 has been officially announced. Fate and the gang are returning. And then, the moment everyone was waiting for, Kagurabachi TV anime has been announced for April 2027 from Studio Sypic. I uploaded a video on it, go watch it now. On April 28th, Marriage Toxin released a Soundmaster Arc mission visual from Studio Bones film. The Beginning After the End Season 2 dropped an Elderwood Arc trailer. The anime premiered in Japan on the 1st of April 2026. And Ushiro no Shumen Kamui-san revealed a new key visual for July 2026 from Studio Zero G and ZGR. April 29th and 30th brought more exciting updates. Puella Magi Madoka Magica the movie Walpurgisnacht Rising dropped a new trailer ahead of its the 28th of August 2026 premiere from Shaft. The wait is almost over. Clavatus Season 2 revealed a new key visual for its July 2026 premiere from Leidus. And Ocean Whale announced it will stream new anime series this month through mid-May, including Iromanga Sensei, Oremo, and Daokyusei, Classmates, a blast from the past for many fans. Finally, wrapping up on May 1st, we have a final burst of announcements. Shiranui, the Comics Wave Films anime movie, released a new main trailer for its the 21st of August 2026 premiere. The Oblivious Saint Can't Contain Her Power revealed a new Flora concept visual for its July 2026 premiere from Magic Bus and Picante Circus. From Old Country Bumpkin to Master Swordsman 2 dropped a new key visual for its the 8th of July 2026 premiere from Passioni and Hayabusa Film. Dinners with My Darling How the Former Monster King Ate Her Way to Happiness anime has been announced. That title is certainly something. A Livid Lady's Guide to Getting Even How I Crushed My Homeland with My Mighty Grimoires revealed a new key visual from Studio Comet. Young Ladies Don't Play Fighting Games released a new teaser trailer for its the 7th of July 2026 premiere from Diomedia. The world's strongest Witch TV anime adaptation has been announced for October 2026 from studios Bridge and AISLE. And finally, the 100 Girlfriends Who Really Love You Season 3 dropped a new key visual for its the 5th of July 2026 premiere from Bibri Animation Studios. And that, guild members, was an absolutely stacked week in anime news. From the Kagurabachi announcement and Chainsaw Man movie streaming date to a flood of July season visuals and new sequels, the 2026 calendar is bursting at the seams. What's your top takeaway? Are you losing your mind over Kagurabachi, hyped for the Rize arc, or counting down to the Madoka movie? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to stay on top of every announcement as it breaks, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your passion burning bright. This is Anime Taiyo signing off.